So, yes guys, at the moment we are now waiting for the 10:46 Transport Express service to Man Victoria, and then the last train will be the 1100 hours Grand Central, which will come towards us. Grand Central service for Sunderland. So far guys, the 185s did not tow. Grumpy drivers, and yes guys, you will agree, grumpy drivers. But the question guys is, will the next pair of 185s do it for us? And will the Grand Central Cost 180 do it for us? Yes guys, they did too. Grand Central and Transport Line did give us a 2 at first. So I think it was just because the other day we got more honks, but this time nothing. But yeah guys, this is it. We might as well get some honks off some trucks. There's no else yet. Right, and we're in. Hey! And a great too. And a nice thumbs up. Oh, so yes guys, you might remember my Florida holiday video of 22. We had a UPS truck. Look, more UPS. Woo!